And what we've achieved is mind-blowing. We've developed proprietary artificial intelligence that lets you turn any YouTube video into a fully fledged, high-quality article or blog post that's optimized to rank at the top of Google. Do you know what it's like to have your page ranked #1 on Google? Do you know how many visitors you could start driving to your links? Do you know how many leads you could get? If that interests you, if you're looking for a change in 2021, then it's crucial for you to pay close attention for the next couple of minutes. So please, shut off Facebook, Instagram, email, and all other distractions. Fair enough? Okay. We've all heard the saying, content is king. And they're right. Being internet marketers ourselves with a combined 20 years of experience behind our belts, it couldn't be more true. That's because on a daily basis, billions of people around the world are asking Google for solutions to their problems. These billions of people could be seeing your links, resulting in free traffic flowing to your page like a raging river. This is great and all, but the main obstacle remains the content creation. Let's be frank, content creation sucks. It's time-consuming, it's boring, it quickly drains your energy, and to make matters worse, it can take months before you see any results. You could be chained to a desk for hours on a daily basis, and the end result? Nothing. Nada. Zilch. Or you could go the outsourcing route. If you want to hire someone to create high-quality content, you need seriously deep pockets. Take a look at what freelancers are charging on Fiverr. For a single article from an entry-level content writer, you can expect to shell out a minimum of $100. And let's be real here, one article isn't going to cut it. To increase your chances of ranking in Google, you'll need a huge bundle of articles. That quickly adds up to thousands of dollars in monthly costs. Yes, it may eventually work, but you'll need to keep spending thousands on a monthly basis trying to figure out which content works out the best. Do you really want to waste potentially thousands or tens of thousands of dollars? You don't have to, nor will you need to create it yourself. It's all thanks to Contentify. With Contentify, you're only one viral article away from all the traffic you'll ever need to dramatically change your online business. Contentify is a software that takes care of all of your content creation needs. It's your one-stop, all-in-one fix for producing killer content like a writer would, but without the cost of paying a writer. Just imagine how much traffic you'll be able to generate with the ability to effortlessly churn out high-quality content that Google loves to rank. Here's how it works. Step 1. Activate Contentify software. Step 2. Enter any keyword to choose your desired niche. This could be weight loss. Step 3. Input the link you want traffic sent to so you can profit. This could be anything. And Step 4. Contentify will begin turning already successful YouTube videos into articles on your website 24/7 on complete AutoPilot like a tireless robot. This is as effortless as it gets. There are millions of videos uploaded on YouTube right now. They're receiving billions of views. They're proven to pull in visitors. The content is grade A+ quality. And now you get to leverage it to get free traffic yourself. Simply turn any YouTube video into a ready-to-rank SEO-optimized article with Contentify, and you're good to go. There's no reason to be stuck to a desk all day, wasting your time and energy pumping out content. Now the question is this legal? The answer is absolutely. Contentify finds videos that have Creative Commons, so no individual has copyright to that video. That means you won't get slapped legally for plagiarism. Finally, you have the chance to build traffic-generating sites overnight. After you pick up your copy of Contentify, you can have a fully functional site loaded with high-quality content that's optimized for Google. And it's all smooth sailing from there. If you're getting tired of going nowhere and want some change, then Contentify is the shortcut you've been searching for. In fact, we sold this offer on a webinar for $997. And you know what? Dozens took us up on it. Because they knew how fast Contentify would pay for itself. They knew Contentify was their turning point. However, we know $997 is a lot of money to put out front. We know what it's like to be in your shoes, which is why we're going to offer you Contentify at a price everyone can afford. You won't pay anywhere near $997. You won't pay $297, not $97, not even $47. Just the price of a pizza. But don't think about it or wait any longer. Listen, I know it's hard to get started with new things, especially if you've had a bad experience or two. But if you want to see success online, regardless if you get Contentify or not, you will need to move forward and take action. And what's the risk? You're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. There's no way for you to lose here. Click on the button below this video to get Contentify for the lowest price. We're excited to see you on the inside.